Did you know the sewing machine was inspired by a dream? Elias Howe, the inventor, had been struggling to solve its design. One night, he dreamt he was captured by cannibals. They threatened him with spears that had holes in their tips. This unique detail in his dream sparked an idea. Elias woke up and added the holes into his needle design. This development made stitching faster and more efficient. His dream changed the pattern of clothing history. Have you ever wished you could support your dreams? Maybe they hold the key to your next big idea. Hit the like button if you found this inspiring.